All right, hello everyone. This is Joseph, Little Joe,
Crystal.
and Crystal. Tonight we are going to walk you through on how to do Crystal's Filipino chicken curry. So this is a yellow curry powder that is it's actually really delicious. So we're just going to go through what we have laid out. So this is very versatile on what you can do, the types of chickens we've used. Whole chicken, literally a whole chicken.
Yep.
We've used, as we are tonight, just the drumsticks when they're on sale. We've used chicken breasts. It's any type of chicken meat, guys. Whatever you have on sale laying around the house. This is a very flexible recipe.
And delicious.
And delicious, so you can tweak it and use it to what you have laying around. But right here is 9 chicken legs.
No, it's in 6.
Is it 6 chicken legs? Okay. So I stand corrected. So curry powder, as you saw earlier, you're going to use coconut milk. Now, there is a difference if you want to use coconut milk or coconut cream. Okay? There is a difference. It changes the consistency and texture of the curry.
I don't like the coconut cream.
The coconut cream is a mixture of the coconut water and the coconut milk.
Yeah.
And coconut milk is only the milk. So, which the coconut milk is just basically the processed, ground up coconut meat, from what I understand. I don't know. I'm not a coconut expert.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce for the curry. 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper. Medium size, they're not that big. So we got the onion, which is left over from last night when we made bouillon. We've got a regular potato. I've already started peeling it before she reminded me to record the video. We've got a medium piece of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, and these little things are called finger peppers. And you may not think it, but they've actually got quite a bit of kick to it. They're normally left whole, so you can pick them out like you would bay leaves. And if you accidentally bite into one, it will let you know it's there. Tonight, we are going to chop it up really fine and try to saute it when we cook the chicken. Let it cook as long as possible.
Yep.
So that's it. Aside from water and rice on the side, we will bring you along. We're going to chop up the ingredients and we'll bring you back in a minute.
All right.
All right, we just got done cutting everything up. And Crystal knows this little life hack that I thought was very smart. When she cut the potato up, she put it underneath the water so it doesn't start oxidizing and turning brown. So this way it didn't go brown. So here's our onion, mound of green peppers. Now, this blob here, you're probably going to laugh at me, but you see the green in here? This is our ginger root, and then also those peppers. And Crystal said another name for them is Thai peppers, finger peppers,
Lady fingers.
lady finger peppers. There's a couple names for them, but Thai pepper evidently is the most common. Here's our red pepper. And then we forgot earlier to show you, these are cut up carrots. So we use baby finger carrots, so that way it's easier to cut up. You can use any carrot in reality. So we're going to get this all started simmering, and we'll be back in a minute. Go.
All right, so first is I turn on the
Burner to medium high.
and I put oil in here. And you want to make it and wait until the oil is hot so we can put the onions first before garlic. So my oil is hot, so I will put the onions. Onions first, and then wait until it is caramelized.
And she reduced the heat down to a medium. Go ahead.
Alright, so next I already put the onions there, and next is I will put the garlic. Garlic and then the ginger. The ginger with lady fingers. Or Thai pepper or whatever you call it. And stir it. So next is I will put just like, let's say 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, you don't want to make it real. Don't put too much because fish sauce is really salty. So 2 tablespoons. And then after the 2 tablespoons is we will put the the chicken in here. So stir it. Stir, and then we'll put the chicken. I'm sorry, I keep on saying fish. Chicken. There we go. The chicken now is still like reddish or pink, so we'll wait until the chicken will turn to like brownish or white, as long as it's not red or pink anymore. Okay, so and then we can put water for like 1/3 cup of water. Go. You okay, baby?
Yep.
There you go. So we will cover this and we'll wait until the chicken will turn to brown, and we'll put the other ingredients. Okay? We'll be right back.
How long?
For like 5 to 8 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, so it's already 8 minutes now. So what I will do next is, so you can see that.
No, they can't. Too much steam. Pick a piece up with the spatula.
So you can see now that the chicken is not reddish or pinkish. So it's now brown or white. So it's good. What I will do next is I will put the curry powder here. You can put 2 tablespoons as well. 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Okay, and then stir it. And then you can put water. After I put the chicken curry powder, I stir it, and then next is we'll put 3 to 4 cups of water. But Joseph and I like broth, so we put more. But normally you can put 2 to 3 cups of water.
Yep, but there's 4 in there for us.
Mm-hmm.
And we might even sneak another cup in later.
Yep. And then next is we can put the carrots and the red pepper, and the green pepper as well. Okay, and then you will stir it.
And the only thing from the ingredients that's left outside of the pot at this point is the coconut milk and the potatoes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so from here we will cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes. So we'll start at 10 minutes and we'll be right back.
And keep in mind, if you use cold water, it's going to take a little bit longer to come back to a boil.
Mm-hmm.
So, we'll be back.
Alright, so 10 minutes is done. So now it's really boiling. So we will stir it. Next is I will put the coconut milk. you go. And then I will stir it again. And next is I will put the potato.
You're all in. You're all in.
Okay. And then stir. And then we will cover this again. After you stirring, we will cover this again and you will start for the timer for like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And when you can see that the chicken is standard and it's done, and you can taste it if you like the taste, if you want it to be more tasty or salty, or you can add more fish sauce, or you can add more curry powder, okay? So now I will cover it and it will start the timer for 15 minutes. Hold on.
Go ahead.
Alright, so now the 15 minutes is done, and Joseph tasted it already.
So she added 2 more tablespoons of fish sauce and some more chicken curry powder.
Yep.
And that's because we added extra water to it. So she's just checking the potatoes to make sure they're done, because when the potatoes are done, everything else has been cooked.
Yep, now it's done.
So we're going to turn the heat off and let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes before we serve it up.
Yep, that's it, and that's your chicken curry for you, and we will take video.
Scoop it up, put it in a bowl, let them see it. And
Ready?
all right, go ahead.
Right, so it's done. So now I will show it to you. The chicken is really cooked. You can see it. There you go. There you go. Smells good. There you go, guys. This is the chicken curry. It is a bit spicy, but we love spicy.
It's a yellow curry, and it's delicious. All right, if you guys try it, let us know how it turned out. If you, or just leave a like and subscribe and tell us what you think of our recipe. We look forward to reading y'all's comments.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.